ability stands as its defining strength. Designed for high mobility in the most demanding environments, the Apache excels in deep tactical operations, where agility can decide the outcome of a mission. Its ability to weave through complex terrain, hug the ground, and use natural cover turns the aircraft into a concealed predator, capable of striking with devastating surprise. By using the terrain to its advantage, the Apache can evade detection, reposition seamlessly, and launch sudden attacks that overwhelm enemy defenses. This blend of agility, tactical